What's going on, guys? Do a little walk around with the car, a little update. I know a lot of you guys have seen on the Instagram today. Got the hood exit, took the exhaust off, popped the hood for you guys. Here it is. For all those who want to see. Aluminum valve cover. I don't know if you guys can see that down there, but I do not recommend this valve cover. This thing sucks. I don't know if you guys can see in there. There's that leak. There's that on-3 manifold. So yeah, other than that, the car's fine. Nothing really new. Just hood dump. Put some clips into that. This exhaust, don't mind how hacked up it is. I don't even, oh, right here. It was scraping so bad. And I just got tired of that. But yeah, this GT 3072, this thing's holding up pretty good. Thing's still hot, but it runs good, man.
So they try to make everything electric. You gonna tell me get fucked? Get fucked.
Get fucked.
Hey, we gotta take your BMW.
I did want to show you guys that even though single turbo with a hood dump, still have plenty of clearance in my coil packs there. I did cut out the engine cover here, and I did cut out around cowl there, so that way I can run that, because as you can see right now, it's raining. I have not found a good cover for this yet. I just did the hood dump today, so, and disclaimer, I did not do this whole, this was here when I bought the car. I'm just making use of what's already there. No more downpipe. Straight out the hood. But yeah, I don't want any of that rain getting down in there. This isn't gonna do me a whole lot of justice right here, but put the hood down. As you can see, the cowl catches a lot of it, even though it does, I don't know if you guys can see that, it does kind of go down into my coil packs there. But yeah.